Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to restore default wallpaper in WhatsApp. So what you have to gonna do, you will just simply first open the WhatsApp app on the Android device or iOS. So black is for password privacy. So when it's open, you have to go to the top right corner of settings and you will see there is the option of chat. You will just open the chat and in the second option is the wallpaper. You have to just click to the wallpaper and you click to the change, and in the last you will see the default wallpaper. So you will just simple click to the default wallpaper and you will see this is the default WhatsApp wallpaper. So set wallpaper to light theme. So I will just click to the set wallpaper. So this is wallpaper set on the WhatsApp default. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.